Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. We're continuing the news. Gio?
Is your bush tea safe? Are you consuming the right ones? Shamila Pullen explores bush teas in this evening's health report.
Herbal teas or bush teas like peppermint, fever grass, sarasay, soursop leaf, and dandelion are all recognized and safe to drink. But consultant gastroenterologist Dr. Mike Mills says there are those that are not so safe. Dr. Mills shared a recent experience he had with a patient who suffered from liver failure.
Yes, so we've had individuals who presented to hospital with liver disease, and we're trying to find out the source of the liver disease is. And we've done all the tests, excluded all the viruses, autoimmune causes, and the only thing which suggests liver disease is the ingestion of bush tea, a herbal product. And this herbal product was taken for weight loss. The herbal product, basically, the individual was not able to say exactly how it was concocted. It was made by someone else and given to them.
Which is why he's urging persons who consume certain types of herbal teas or bush teas to exercise caution. Dr. Mills says the condition can be quite severe, which can lead to death.
In settings where it is available, transplantation is really offered to replace the liver in those cases. So it can be a severe condition which needs to be paid attention to, especially as individuals have more access to unusual products which have not been studied as rigorously, or even things which sometimes are thought to be safe, and an individual may have a reaction to it which is specific to that individual. So just to pay attention to the fact that the liver really is a fairly sensitive organ which can repair itself very well once you stop introducing it to the thing that's causing the damage, but you have to recognize that very early.
The only way to do that, the doctor adds, is by doing a blood test after taking medications to see if it's having an effect. Also, there are symptoms persons can develop if they're having a reaction to the tea they consumed.
If you're consuming a product and you're having nausea, that might be the first thing you notice. So nausea may be associated with liver injury or jaundice as it progresses, so yellowing of the eyes or changing color of the urine, itching of the skin, for example. Sometimes you may have pain in the area of the liver. If it's very severe, then you may have diarrhea or fever or confusion.
And don't forget to check with your medical doctor, especially if you're on medications, before you drink any type of herbal teas. With your health report, I'm Shamila Pullen, wishing you good health.